Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This course is meant to teach you how to read the Holy Quran with Tajweed. So anyone who is interested in learning the Holy Quran with Tajweed can take this course. I will be guiding you throughout the course with the help of figure lessons and other stuff. Being a student, you would like to know about your teacher. I am Saifullah Khan and I have done my Master's in Arabic and did my MPhil in Quranic Sciences and Tafsir. And I have been teaching since 2010. Reading the Holy Quran is the basic need of every Muslim. But some people are too busy to take live classes or cannot afford them. If you are one of them, then you have come to the right place. Taking the video course, you can save time and money. After taking this course, you will be able to read the Holy Quran with proper tajweed, inshallah. Just start learning today, and if you have any difficulty, then feel free to contact me. Jazakumullahu khairan.